Hello everyone, this is Alvi again. So today I will show you how to work by using terminal on Linux operating system. So to do so, first of all I will open the terminal. So for opening the terminal, please press the Ctrl and Alt button of your keyboard and press the T key and just maximize the screen. Now I want to show you how to make a folder on your desktop or any type of directory of your system. So first of all I want to know that what types of directory I have on my system. So that's why I type ls and press enter, and there are so many types of directory or folder on my system. So I want to make a folder on my desktop. So first of all I want to go to the desktop, cd space desktop and press the enter. Then now I am on my desktop and I want to make a directory or a folder on my desktop. Type mkdir space the folder name you want to give, like I want to give etc 509 and press the enter. So now I want to check whether the folder is created or not. So type ls and yes, there is a folder named etc 509. So mkdir means make directory, but I want to go to that directory. Like if I want to go to that directory, that folder called etc 509, simply I type cd space btc 509 and press enter. Now if I want to check what is inside this folder, simply I type ls and press the enter, and there is nothing. Now I want to go back, so that's why I just type cd space double dot and press the enter, and here I am. Now I want to remove this folder from desktop directory. So to remove that folder, rmdir space btc 509. If I check now, there is nothing which is named as btc 509.